Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jaleesa, for those who don't know me. Sorry, I keep on checking myself out. So let's get into my hair first of all. Show you guys. I just want to show you guys how thick my locks look because this is what I was going for. I really wanted this thickness. I mean, of course they're not done locking, but also you guys can see how they're starting to form. The parting of my hair, you guys can see all of that. You guys can see the thickness, you can see the parting. I'm loving everything about my locks so far. They're starting to lock really fast, as I told you guys. I haven't done anything different to my hair as far as my last journey, how I was doing the lemon juice to try to lock my hair faster. I would have to go back and look, but I'm pretty sure I was almost 6 months in and my locks were still kind of not even locking that much. I want to say I'm 3 months in right now. I have to check because I suck with the updating, but I'm almost 3 months in right now, and this is where, this is what my hair is looking like. So I'm real happy. I'm real happy with the progress of my hair. As you guys can see, I have fewer locks than I did with my first lock journey. I always insert a picture, so you guys should know what my last lock journey looks like. With some of you guys that are new, I'm gonna insert a picture so you guys can see. Insert it somewhere over here. But I had more locks because I started off on shorter hair. Therefore, she had to she could only do finger coils and stuff. And like I said, if you guys watched my first video, I talk about all of that. I didn't really have a choice. I couldn't say what I wanted, the thickness or anything like that, because they had to be small. My hair was that short when I started my locks. So I think I had a total of 158 or something like that. I haven't counted yet, but I'm sure I have nowhere close. I still feel like I have a lot of locks, and I really didn't want that much, but I'm happy with that. I'm happy with what I have so far. Only reason I said I'm not happy with the amount of locks I have is just because I hate sitting down. I'm starting to hate to do my hair, even if it's just retwisting it, because that's all I got last night. I just got a retwist. As you guys can see how my hair is looking. My mom's about to come over, and I'm just gonna beg her to just put 2 braids in it for me so I can just wear it like that. But that's about it. I hate doing my hair now. I hate doing anything to it. If you guys check out my last video, I'll insert that here as well. I did a protective style on my locks. It was really quick. It was really easy. I went on a date with my boo, of course. So quick little date night hairstyle. Hope you guys enjoy that. Take a look at that as well. It'll be in the description box. Hope you guys like my 3-month lock journey. That is all I have for you guys so far. Also, as y'all can see, my hair is starting to shrivel up. When I first started, my hair was a little longer. That's expected though. I already knew it wasn't going to stay that length, but I am really happy with what my hair is looking like right now. That is it, and I'll see you guys next time.